museum date.
Ooh. Aww. Adorable.
Capital Modern, like Pack Modern.
Oh my gosh.
Cobble Modern.
Oh my gosh. I cannot. Oh, hi. Hey. Hey. Ooh, that look.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
They've been training, dude.
Wow. Let's go, Asher.
Let's go, Asher. Yeah.
Yes. Pinoy boy. Yeah. Hey. This crop top? Mm-hmm. Hey, you better rap in Japanese. Aww. This is adorable. Hey. 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 Woo! Yes, Monarch.
Let's go, Monarch. These fits too, though. The color palette.
My goodness. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. That part. Okay, but that's sweater.
Nice.
It's okay, Devin. You good? Hey.
The choreography is great.
Yeah.
Like, I wonder if they choreographed it internally or if they got someone else write it. Nice.
Yeah. Hey. That's Ripple. Yeah. Hey. Woo! Hey.
Too late, clever.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Nice.
That
I really wonder who did the choreography.
Yeah. I think they did.
Hey, that was a cool moment.
Hey. But show their faces. Who are these people? My hey. Hey. Let's go, Asher. Hey. Woo! He's on the bottom of his foot. Hey. Woo! You better mug that camera. Hey.
Their dancing is down.
Nasty. Hey, that. They have very good control of their body. Yes.
Yeah.
Like, it makes me think of peonies.
Very clean lines.
Yeah. A lot of textures.
Even when it's a big groove, there's a lot of control into it.
Yeah. The video's over. Who are you? Hey, that Hawaii license plate. Yeah. Woof. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, so some of the things that I liked was the great control with their choreography. Shouts out to you guys. You guys have definitely been training a lot. I really like the choreography with the chorus, and then you can see how they change up the choreography a little bit when it goes to the verses, where it's a little not as intense, but enough to show danceability, but also easy enough for them to still sing. So like it's pretty easy, like especially as dancers, to like forget that. I know it happens to me that these singers aren't just dancers, and they have to multitask and not just like do the singing part, but also like look the part on their face, because there have been some videos where I reacted where the artists are just moving their mouth, moving their body, but not so much their face. Because we've worked with them previously and we got to work with them on a show. So where they were before and to where they are now, it's like
leaps and bounds.
Yeah, it's night and day.
It is crazy. They look like they're like ready to compete with other K-pop artists and other bands, and like their choreography is on point, like their singing is on point, their entire look and their feel. It's so crazy to see how different it is, and it's amazing too. Like Monarch, we were on a call with them last night, and they're like, yeah, we're hungry. We want to like step it up. We want to be challenged, and they're showing it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my God, I'm worried. I'm worried that what I will choreograph will not be up to the standard of what they want.
I think even with what we submitted prior, I think because if they didn't like what we did before, they wouldn't have come back to work with us.
That's true.
So there's a lot of trust and rapport with them. But yeah, where they are, I don't know how long, but to us, it seems new. And then we worked with them like 2 years ago?
2 years ago.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So it's just how far, that's only 2 years from us knowing them and how much they've evolved with their dancing.
Yeah.
And not just that, with their style of their music, because their style of music was very different before.
Oh yeah. It's changed a lot.
Yeah, so I'm imagining what they're going to look like in another 5 years, 10 years, if God permits that they are still together. Because 10 years is a long time, and some groups don't have that pleasure to. I mean, hell, some marriages don't even get that long. So, but yeah,
some marriages don't even get the full year.
Yeah. So yeah, their choreography. Great, super clean, great stage presence.
Oh, I was gonna say that. Yeah,
go ahead.
Like the first thing that besides the incredible choreography, their talent was their stage presence or camera presence, the way they were just mugging the camera it was their job. It's their job, but you know what I mean. But also just seeing the evolution from what I've seen from them in the past, because when you guys booked the gig, working with them for their show here, I was like, who are they? And I just started watching their stuff. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. And then seeing this now, I'm like, this is different. This is amazing.
Yeah.
This is evolved.
Oh, yeah. It's such a different vibe.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Good shit, guys.
Woo!
Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, give them some love to music. This is not sponsored. This is generally, we worked with them. We saw it pop up that they had a new single come out for 2024. We wanted to check it out and might as well react to it. Kinds of, I don't know, it makes sense. Artists supporting artists to showcase some of the people we've worked with, and we hope that you guys liked the track. Give them a listen on Spotify. Again, not sponsored or anything. Just friends supporting friends.
Yeah, they also came out with a single "Unfamiliar." It's fire.
It's so good.
It's fire.
Yeah.
It's so good, man.
Yeah, so shouts out to Hawaii.
Yeah.
All right.
Not an ad, just fans.
Yeah. All right, I'll do all the things. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.